The silicon era is reaching its limit. Today, we dissect Google Willow. At 15 millikelvin, heat is the enemy. We are entering a world colder than the vacuum of deep space.
This golden tower is a dilution refrigerator. Its only job, to keep Willow's qubits from vibrating out of existence. Unlike transistors, these qubits use Josephson Junctions. They don't just switch on or off.
Superposition, the ability to be everywhere and nowhere at the same time. This is how Willow solves millennium-old problems in seconds.
Entanglement. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. For Willow, it is the ultimate data bus.
Quantum error correction, the greatest challenge in engineering. Willow uses a surface code to protect fragile information from noise.
We don't use electricity. We use microwave pulses. Each pulse is a command written in the language of the universe. At this scale, a single atom of dust is a mountain of interference.
Google's breakthrough, Cryo-CMOS, control electronics that work inside the freezer, reducing thousands of wires to just a few.
Every connection is a masterpiece of material science. Superconductivity allows for zero-resistance data travel.
Willow just solved a calculation that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 47 years.
This isn't just speed. It's a new way of thinking, designing new medicines, new materials, and new worlds.
Complexity sealed in a perfect void. This is the heart of the next industrial revolution.
The Willow era has begun. The impossible is now accessible.
Status: Quantum Supremacy.
We have mastered the atom. Now, we master the qubit.
The universe is quantum. Now, so are we.
Subscribe to the future. Next episode. SpaceX Starship Raptor 3, the Mars engine. What quantum mystery should we solve next? Comment below.